Welcome back to Cocina y Soy. This is Carmen Julia, and today we're gonna be making Coca de Pisto.
Cut the red pepper and the onions into small cubes. Cut the middle part of the shard and discard. Cut it into smaller size, as well as the spinach. In a pan at medium heat, lightly stir-fry the onions and the red pepper. When the vegetables soften, add the fresh spinach and the shard. Cook until they shrink, as if they are wilted. Add the can of crushed tomatoes and 1 teaspoon of sugar and salt. Let it boil in low heat for 1 hour with a closed lid. If there is remaining water, turn up the fire and let the water evaporate. Let it cool down. Once cooled, mix it with the tuna and add salt to taste. For the dough, add the yeast to the water and let it rest for 5 minutes. If you can see some bubbles rising, it means the yeast is working. In a large bowl, add the flour and make a little volcano in the flour. Place the water with the yeast and the virgin olive oil. In the side, place the salt. Knead until it becomes elastic and you have a consistent bowl. Cover the bowl with olive oil and let it rest inside for 1 to 2 hours in a warm place. Roll out to the side of a tray and transfer it to the tray. Poke it with a fork. Distribute the pisto. Sprinkle with cinnamon and pine seeds. Close the borders of the dough. In a preheated oven of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, bake for 30 to 40 minutes.
And here it is, our Coca de Pisto. Serve it warm or cold. Have a little bite of Valencia. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and comment below. See you next week.